know you see it. Fool Keisha, you know you did it. This love, girl, you know you quit it. It's over, I know it's over.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing out this melting your wig with spritz. So yes, the wig I'm using today is provided by Tinashe hair. This is their 24-inch deep wave frontal wig. So all I'm doing right here is putting my foundation color in the lace. I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck this wig. So we're gonna see if we can melt this wig and make it look proper just by bleaching the knots, nothing extra. The color I'm using is the color number 14 in my Ruby Kisses foundation. This is the two-sided foundation. You can find this at your beauty store. So right here, you already see it looks really, really melted. This is the type of wig you could wear glueless, but we're going to be testing out the spritz to see if it can hold my wig down and make it look nice and melted. So you guys can see me right here just seeing how it sprays. And for some reason, I really do not like the application of the spritz. It's like it's really runny and it's not really all over the place, but it's kind of like it catches you off guard. So I don't really like that. And when it's runny, it's really fast with it. Like as soon as you spray it, it starts running. And I feel like with the Got To Be is a little bit wild, but it's not as runny as this one. Like this one is a little bit messy for me. I do like the hold that this has. Like you could go the whole day with this. Not in the summertime, of course, because you're sweating, but you can go the whole day just using this on your wig, and this is gonna melt your wig. I actually love the way that this application, I actually loved it. I just did not like the way that the spray, like the product, was falling onto my skin and my makeup. Like I did not like that. But you guys can see right here, this is how I'm applying it. I'm literally spraying it onto the front area of the hair and just making sure that the hair is laying right so that I can give it its maximum slay, I guess. So I'm just going in and I'm just spraying onto the lace and pushing it in. Keep in mind, I do have my fan on. If you guys watch me frequently, you will know that I do a lot of voiceovers because I live next to a practice airport and my room has no AC, so it's super, super hot. So I always have my fan on. Sometimes I do speak in my videos, but most times I'm doing a voiceover because I just refuse to have to like edit over me speaking because of like plain noise and all the extra stuff. So right here, I'm just pushing it in, and I really did not have to use a blow dryer since I was sitting in front of the fan, so this was really, really good. Right here, I'm just parting off the baby hairs, and you guys can see, like, this already looks like scalp. But I'm parting off the baby hairs so I can spray more of the product in the middle area of the baby hairs and the regular hairline. So that's all I'm doing right here. It's just parting off the baby hairs. I do want to tell you guys, this hair it's really, really nice and pretty. It has a uniform curl, which I'm not too fond of, but other people like that. And the hair in the frontal is very, very delicate. So since I'm using this spritz, the spritz is a little bit sticky, so it was pulling out more hair than I wanted to. But other than that, this hair is pretty cool. I like it. I feel like other people will like it. I like my hair to be more of a natural look, and I feel like this gives me like a uniform curl. So the way that I would wear it, you guys see in my intro, I would wear it more poofy. So if you want like a more poofy hairstyle and an affordable wig, this would be your best bet. So right here, I just spray some of the spritz, and I'm making sure that I'm combing that hair going back so it's not wild and it's still nice and you can work with it. So here I'm just cutting the baby hairs because I don't want it long in my face. So I'm just cutting it off. And then I'm going in with more of this spray just to make sure that it's nice and melted. You want to keep going back and forth. If you need some more spray or you feel like it's not stuck, you will go back and forth between the spray and pushing it into your skin. So right here, this is where I went into it with my tweezers just to tweeze it a little bit. And I noticed that since the spritz was a little bit sticky, it was sticking the hair together, the baby hairs together. So when I would try to pluck it, I was plucking out like big clumps of hair. But even if the hair was getting stuck to my finger. Like, it just being stuck was pulling the hair out, and I really did not like that. So I don't know if I'm gonna use the spritz again to stick my wigs down. I probably am, but I might do a second video like installing my wig. Of course, it's not gonna be dedicated because I already did this one, but I think I want to retry it again a little bit more proper, because I feel like I was moving a little bit fast with this one. Not too fast, but I was moving a little bit fast for this one. But I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Tell me if you guys tried spritz before to hold your wig down. I feel like it's a good method. If you want it to really last, you would like part your hair through and spray some spritz in the parts, and that makes it last a longer time as well. So right here, I did spray some of that spritz onto my brush, and I'm just slicking back the baby hairs. And you guys can see I can wear this with no baby hairs, and it will look nice and natural. But you guys know I love baby hair, so that's what I did. Right here, I am going with my scissors. I do recommend going in with the eyebrow razor. I mean, you could use both, but I noticed when I used the eyebrow razor, I did not really have to go back in and touch up that area. Even though I pulled the wig, and then you're gonna see when I pulled the wig and it lifted up on the side. But I feel like the eyebrow razor is so much easier to cut your lace off. If you guys want to see other videos, I do have other videos on my channel of me installing closures, me installing with glue, me installing with got2b, no glue, glueless, all of that. So you guys can check my channel and watch those type of videos, just depending on what you want to see. I do want you to comment down below what you want the next video to be, and I also want you to comment down below some, what do I want you to comment? Comment down below some grapes. Y'all, if y'all comment down below some grapes, that would be so funny. I would actually, like, y'all are really amazing. Anyways, right here, I'm just making sure I'm going back in and touching it up. And you guys see how quickly this is sticking down. I feel like I like this because when I spray it, it gets tacky really quickly. Unlike the got2b, I be having to wait a little while for it. But with this spritz, it gets tacky and it sticks your wig down really quick. You guys see how melted this look? I'm just using that to form the baby hairs. And yeah. So I'm just going to form the baby hairs, and then I'll be right back with the rest of my commentary. I really don't have too much to say. I just want you guys to watch.
Hello. That's my new crazy.
Wait, why haven't you slept? What's up? Good to see you. Like, you are.
You are the woman that I want. She is the blessing that I rather live with, and I can't live without. The only woman that I want. Only you, because I trust no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave thee. Long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy.
Oh, I did want to tell you guys, you can use mousse as well to slick down your baby hairs. If you don't like your baby hairs to be too perfect, you could use some mousse, and that will give it more of a natural look. You do not want to drench it in mousse because your wig will lift up. You just want to put a little bit of mousse on your brush and stuff and swoop the baby hairs. Right here, I'm just making sure that the hair is nice and perfect, so I'm cutting off some of that extra lace on the sideburn area, and then I'm going back in with some of the spritz. This spritz is a little bit, I don't know, like, it just be running real fast. You guys see it falling down my face real quick, like, I don't know. I feel like I like it because it sticks your wig down really quick, but it's a little bit too messy. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right here. Just make sure that your wig is perfect the way that you want it to look. Tell me if you guys are enjoying this video so far. I feel like I'm actually enjoying this video because I love trying new stuff. Comment down below some other stuff you want me to try, or like anything you want me to review from the beauty store, or I don't know, just comment that down below. So right here, I am going to be doing an inside cornrow, and just to spice up the look a little bit. So all I'm doing is parting my hair out, and like so. Then I'm going to do a quick 1-2 cornrow. Just comb that out, so make sure it's detangled. And I'm going to do a quick inside cornrow.
Come to me. If I told you I was Diamonds put on neck piece for your girl. I never think of playing games with your girl. I'll never ever run away from your girl. Diamonds put on neck piece for your.
So when we're done, we're gonna use some bobby pins. I think those are hair clips actually, and we're just gonna clip the braid into place so it's not like looking a mess. And this is basically the end of the look. This is the frontal. It's nice and melted. You guys see me pulling on it to show you that it's not budging. If you sweat, it's gonna lift up, of course, but it's not budging. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. Right here, I'm just gonna show you guys how I sleep with my hair at night. I literally just do 2 pigtails, like if I'm wearing curly, any hair actually, but mostly curly hair. If I'm wearing curly hair, I make sure I do this. I just detangle it, do some pigtails. Tell me if you guys want to see a video of me doing a braid out with one of my curly wigs. I will be happy to do that because I actually like that style. That style is popping. So I'm just gonna brush the hair out, do 2 pigtails, and this is basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Tell me if you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video. And give me some other ideas on other like review type videos or like trying new stuff videos you guys want to see. Leave them in the comment section down below. I will definitely make a video on it. Bye.
When you're driving by, watching eye to eye, I know you see it. Fool Keisha, you know you did it. This love, girl, you know you quit it. It's over, I know it's over. 'Cause 1 minute you're down, and you committed. Next thing you're down, out,